friends, I am Santosh Sutar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be more special than usual. In today's video, we are going to experience the alchemy of nature, and if we have a strong will life, we can overcome any adversity and win. This nature shows us in every image. Grasses growing on footpath, small sapling growing on a temple walls, desert plant inspire life. Now, see hibiscus flower life is only one day. It blooms in the morning and fades in the evening, but the spend one day life in happiness and delight in another. Another example of facing life's great challenges in the waves of the sea and the rocks on the shore. Waves are very gentle while the rocks are very hard, but still changes the shapes of the rock. This is another good example that tells us that no matter how big the difficulties are, we should face them with the courage. From time to time, nature gives us guidance, inspiration, hope and survival hints, ways. You just have to recognize them. Nature ultimately can be said to be different. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch new video. Thank you.